Introduction. Why yeast-free bread or cakes are needed. Hello everyone, today I will talk about how chemistry helps us bake bread and cakes without yeast. Some people can't eat yeast because they are allergic, and sometimes we just want to make bread or cakes faster. That's where chemical leavening comes in. It helps our dough rise without yeast. Chemistry gives us other ways to make food soft and fluffy, like using baking soda or baking powder. Baking soda reaction. Baking soda is also called sodium bicarbonate. When it's mixed with an acid, such as vinegar, lemon juice, or buttermilk, it produces a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas makes bubbles in the dough, and those bubbles make the cake or bread rise and become soft. Example, if you make baking soda with vinegar, you can see some bubbles forming. That's the same reaction happening inside the cake. Limitation of baking soda. But baking soda has a problem. It reacts as soon as it meets the acid. So the gas is released too early, even before baking starts. If we wait too long to put the dough in the oven, the bubbles disappear and the cake becomes fat or hard. That's why scientists look for a way to control the timing of the gas release. Invention of double-action baking powder. To solve this, scientists create double-action baking powder. It contains two types of acid. One reacts at room temperature mixed with water. The other reacts when heated in the oven. This means some gas is made right away, and more gas is made later while baking. Because of this, double-action baking powder gives food imperfect rise and soft texture, even if the batter sits for a while before baking. Application and chemistry. We use baking powder in cakes, pancakes, and muffins. When heated, the second acid releases more carbon dioxide gas, making the food fluffy and evenly baked. If the gas came out too soon, the bubble would pop, so timing is very important in baking chemistry. Critical reflection. Understanding chemistry in food helps us make better and safer choices. We can choose the right ingredients, mix them correctly, and know why our food turned out soft or hard. Chemistry shows that even in cooking, science is a part of everyday life. It helps us create food that is tasty, healthy, and safe for everyone. Thank you for listening.